Hey guys, welcome to a new daily watchlist. My name is Martijn. I will be going over the main pairs for today. So first of all, let's kick it off with Eurodollar. Eurodollar, it continued the rally up. So like I said yesterday, we could make like an engulfing, like touch this trend line, we could break further down. That didn't happen. What did happen is that we took out this low, and after that in the same candle, we shot straight up. Now currently, I still think we can easily go to TP3, and that all has to do with the DXY. So what we can see on the DXY is that the market dynamics are playing out nicely. Like this is what we teach in our course. So basically we have like a trend line break. So we had like a trend being broken after like price reached a daily plus weekly supply level. It broke demand levels, created a new supply level, and price just touched that and is moving further down. We failed to break this trend line, and currently we can easily make a further leg down. We can break this low and go until these demand zones in there. So I'm keeping an eye on these demand levels. For now, I'm just bearish on the DXY until we reach those demand levels. So let's go to the AUD-US dollar. And for the AUD-US dollar, basically because the DXY is dropping, we made like a further move to the upside. So like I already said yesterday, is I was keeping an eye on this demand level in there. I was keeping an eye on this low in there. And I already said that if we break this low, if we touch this demand level, that you just have to place some break even, because it would be possible for price to shoot straight up. And now it is just doing that because the DXY is dropping. So what can happen now is that we take out these zones in there. These zones have already been exhausted. Price already returned there like a lot of times, and it just looks like price is going to break it right now and visit the higher zone in there. So this is basically like a daily supply level. Also same thing from the market dynamics. We had like a trend being broken and we create a supply level. So for now it looks like price is just going to break up, visit the supply level on there, and maybe make like a pullback from there. Let's go to the NZDUSD dollar. And for the NZDUSD dollar, we are breaking to the upside. So price is just very bullish. It just respected all the demand levels. So we had like a demand level in here. Price didn't really reach until there, but we created a new one in here, like I already said yesterday, actually since the start of this week. And we touched this supply level on there. So for now, if the DXY starts dropping down, the NZDUSD dollar can still move up. So this is still a bullish trend that can still continue. However, keep in mind that price can easily make like a retracement from here. So we are in this supply level. It's not really a significant supply level, but a retracement is possible. But for now, I'm just bullish on the NZDUSD dollar. It's a little bit unfortunate we didn't hit this demand level, but for now, it's bullish. We have another zone actually in here. So we broke this high in here, and we had another zone basically created in here. So if price might retrace to this level, you can try to look for some shorts. Now let's go to the GBPUSD dollar. And regarding the GBPUSD dollar, same thing, because the scenario like with the dollar is playing out, because it's dropping, this one is also moving to the upside. So what happened in here is we broke this level, we touched this demand zone. After that we rallied up, we broke another demand level on there, and this basically created another newly created demand level for us in here. Currently it is still in this supply level, so it's still in there, but it could easily shoot up, go until this upper supply in there, just finish this leg up, and yeah, just basically take us to the upside. So for now, the major supply I'm looking at is in here, or like the upper levels in there. This one is already touched, but it can still be valid. But for now, I'm just watching these levels. So let's go to the gold real quick. Now, regarding gold, we are finishing the structure. So what we saw on gold is that we had a demand level in here, price touched it, and after that, it just made a further rally to the upside. For now, I have another supply level in there where we can go. We can easily break this highs and go to this supply level. If we might break the supply level, then price can just go parabolic. It can create like a new all-time high, but I'm sure that will be a little bit difficult. Like I said, it could be that we still stay in this range for May. So again, we are now at our 0.75 level of this entire trend to the downside. But for now, price can easily just shoot back up, create or like touch the supply level, and maybe like create another engulfing, maybe a pullback, or eventually even break it. So I'm keeping an eye on this supply level for sure, because if this one is taken out, we are going up, and I think we can go up like big time, like this entire rally in there. So let's quickly move over to the Bitcoin. For the Bitcoin, what did we see yesterday is that we broke this trend line and we created a new demand level. So like I already said, currently it broke the high on the lower time frame and we can easily just start moving up from here. Like we have liquidity in here and we can take the liquidity, move further to the upside, like hit this supply level in there. It's not a very good supply level, but I think we can at least still reach until there. Yeah, that's basically it. What I'm watching, just watch low time frames. I think we can still make an engulfing for this candles, like visit the highs again. Especially if we go a little bit further near these highs, we are easily going to break it, and we're just going to visit this supply level. And yeah, that's basically it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video.